You can find many acrylic LED lights from the web. There are many do-it-yourself projects and you can also buy finished products. I have done some before, but this time I wanted to do different one. Mostly these lights are single color. You can use RGB strip lights, but it's still one color at once. So I started to think how can I make multicolor. The easiest way I came up is to use the same concept, but instead one LED strip I will use 5, and also 5 layers of acrylic sheet. For modeling I used Fusion 360. I came up with this design. To make this project I used Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1, one machine that can do all the work I needed. Snapmaker Artisan is big size machine with 400 by 400 by 400 mm build volume. It has 3 easily changeable modules and build plates, dual color 3D printing module and 2 zone heating build plate, 200 watt spindle for CNC cutting and carving, and 40 watt laser module. I 3D printed the main part with PLA filament and I used Luban software to slice it. I made the light circular shape. I used CNC mill module to cut out the acrylic pieces. I used flat and single through milling bit. Toolpaths I also made in Fusion 360 and transferred them to machine via USB memory stick. To secure the acrylic sheet in place I used double-sided tape. I also added plywood on the build plate to prevent damaging the build plate. Actually I didn't need to do that, after cutting plywood didn't have any marks on it. This acrylic sheet is 3 mm thick. I used 1 mm step down and I added 3 dabs. I could also use CNC milling module to engrave the image, but I didn't have right engraving bit and laser can do more detailed images. I found this cool landscape vector image. I separated all different color parts. Every color is engraved to different piece of acrylic. To do that I needed to place every acrylic piece exactly at the same place. One way is to use the clamps. It should work, but I wanted something better and I 3D printed this stencil. It's fixed in place with plastic screws which came with the machine. This laser module is 40 watt blue diode laser. You can't engrave on transparent acrylic directly without extra steps. Laser will shine through. There are different ways to do it. I used black cardstock under the acrylic. I used the laser to cut out the same shape as my acrylic pieces. I used light burn for engraving. I used 10% power and 6000 mm per minute. If you use too much power, acrylic will crack. The engravings can be easily cleaned with soap and water. I also made simple wooden base with CNC milling module. This piece of wood was warped, and that's why I didn't cut the base completely out. I used the saw to do that. After some sanding, it came out quite nice. All the parts were done and it was time to start assembling it. First thing was to cut all LED strips to right length. I ordered these LEDs from AliExpress and they all are 5 volts, but one of them has written on 12 volts. Always control before you use them. They have stickers under, but they come loose quite easily. I use this power connector, which is rated up to 3 amps. It's more than enough for this project. The longer terminal is negative and shorter positive terminal. I use little thicker wire for the connector and switch. It's maybe a little overkill. Smaller size wire, like I used before, is fine also. These connectors comes with a nut to secure them in place. I don't have space to use it, so I printed small ring which I glued in place. I could use only glue, but it seemed to be better option, at least in my head. I also use glue to isolate the connections, and it also holds wires in place if somehow connection failed. Before I place the acrylic pieces, I cleaned them with K2 LCD display cleaner. Acrylic scratch up quite easily. To avoid it, I used microfiber cloth to wipe them. The wooden base came out quite nice. Simple but nice. Some kind of varnish or stain could make it better. I didn't have any, so I left it as it is. To power up the LEDs, I used this power adapter. Output is 5 volt and 12 amps. It came out better than I expected. The laser engravings look smooth, colors are nice. I use single color LED strips so colors can't be changed. RGB LEDs can be installed, but you also will have 5 remotes to change colors. Inside the case can be seen colorful edges, and I made slots to the outer case. It gives nice colorful pattern. That's it for this project. If you have any questions, you can comment below, and as always, thanks for watching.